I found this reference image on Pinterest to create an image prompt.
The image from Pinterest has a style more or less like this, but I found one interesting picture that I'll be using as the tutorial reference.
I will use this image, then we will generate it. The process is quite simple. Upload your photo, preferably a portrait, then paste the prompt here. The prompt is in the description. If the result matches what you want, continue with Photoshop editing. If not, regenerate until it fits your preference. I've already removed the background beforehand. Check the website in the description. Use the brush spray paint to create graffiti text, but adjust the brush size accordingly.
I'll adjust the brush size first, and I almost forgot about the brush color. The brush color I'm using is orange like this. Next, create a new layer for the graffiti area. Hide all the other layers first. We'll start making the graffiti, but sorry, I'm not really good at drawing graffiti. The video duration is sped up, otherwise it would be boring to watch the graffiti process for too long.
Since my graffiti drawing isn't very good, I'll try to make the graffiti text instead, but with a rather messy style.
Don't forget to also create a new layer for the graffiti text effects.
And the result looks something like this. It's not perfect, but decent enough. Now it's finished, so unhide all the layers. If you feel it's still lacking, add more graffiti effects. You can adjust the brush style as you like. The video is sped up. Hold Shift, click on Layer 5, and then click on Layer 4 so you can move the graffiti image. Create a new layer. Use the Kepalu font for a charming touch. Set the text color to white. Place the text, your brand name or logo, in the top right corner. Create another new layer. Use the Helvetica New font for a clean and modern look. For the text content, you can use Lorem Ipsum or any custom words generated by ChatGPT. All right, as the final step, let's drag this text layer to the top and arrange it neatly. Adjust the font size, position, and make sure everything looks balanced on the canvas. You can also freely move the other text layers around. Experiment a little until you're satisfied with the layout. And that wraps up our tutorial for today. I really hope this walkthrough gave you some new ideas and techniques to try in your own projects. Remember, you can always customize the fonts, colors, and placements to match your personal style or brand. Thank you so much for following along from start to finish. Don't forget to keep practicing and exploring different designs, because the more you experiment, the better your results will get. See you in the next tutorial.